Hey everyone, welcome to my September Amazon haul. I found 16 must-have items in fashion, beauty, home, and travel. And a tiny portion of today's video, I'm partnering with Marée to show you a really cool keratin hair mask. Stay tuned for that. So let's dive into fashion, and before we begin, you're going to see a number up in one of the corners. So that number corresponds with the item on the screen, and you'll find it listed and linked in the description box underneath this video and in the first pinned comment to make it easy for you. So my safari's coming up like fast now, and I'm still trying to pick up a few odds and ends, but I had to share this Columbia safari shirt. They call it like a safari shirt, hunting, fishing. To me, I can see so many uses for this. It would be great out if you're gardening, if you're at the pool and you want some sun protection, you can put it on. But it is so well made, and it's available in lots of different colors. And I think the color I picked, I'll put it on the screen, it's either khaki or safari. The fit is true to size, and I love that it's a snap front top. Also has snaps on the sleeves. You can roll the sleeves up. I'm showing that here in the B-roll, but I just have to figure out how to roll them up so they don't look sloppy. I'm still working on that. But my goodness, I thought, oh, I'm only going to wear this when I'm on safari. But I'm thinking, no, like if I end up going somewhere hot this winter, I'm going to take this with me to protect my shoulders. It's really a great find. The next outfit that I have is what I'm wearing today. And honestly, I didn't think that I would love it as much as I did. There are a few brands on Amazon that I will keep because the quality is good. Most of the stuff I buy on Amazon for clothing ends up going back, but PrettyGarden is one of those brands that just consistently the quality is great, and I'm really impressed with this two-piece outfit. I got it in navy with the white, what do you call that, piping, like around the sleeves, the bottom of the legs, everywhere. It is so comfortable. It's a lounge set, but I would totally, if we were going out to lunch, wear this out as well. It's one of those outfits, in the fall when you just want to be cozy. Like say I'm working in my office editing my videos and it can get a little chilly. It kind of feels like pajamas, but it's not pajamas. And it's a little more budget friendly than say some of the other items that I show, and I am trying to, have a good mix here. So yes, I can totally see myself buying another one of these as the cooler weather gets here, but I wanted to start out with the navy, and I really like the pink. They have a beautiful pink one. So go check out all the different colors. I also wanted to let you know I washed it and I threw it in the dryer. I didn't even read the tag, and I wanted to know if it was going to shrink so I could report back to you. And I don't think that it did. Maybe just the tiniest amount, but honestly, it's a good thing because the arms were way too long. They're still a little longer than what I like, but that's a problem I always have because I am petite height. So I always have problems with the legs and arms being too long. But, it doesn't bother me. I can just roll them up. And I am wearing size XXL, and I would say that the fit is true to size. Now, I was hoping that I would have had this top in time for shooting this video, but I can't wait any longer, and I don't know, it's gotten delayed. But I'll show it to you anyways. I thought it was kind of cute. I have no idea if I'm going to keep it or not. But anyways, it's called a 3/4 sleeve black rib top, and I was drawn to it because I really like the zipper in the front. I just thought, that's really a nice detail, especially for somebody that has an apple body shape like myself, because we know that a V-neck, anytime we can get some sort of a vertical line, it brings the eyes up off of our belly. This also is available in lots of different colors, and I'll report back to you in upcoming videos. If you see me wearing it, you know that I kept it. If you don't see it, then it was a miss. But anyways, go check it out. The next item is only coming on Friday, and I've been waiting as long as I can, but it looks really pretty, and it's available in like 20, 30 different colors. I sized down to an XL because I read the reviews and they said that you should size down, and I ordered it in white. Now, it's an oversized sweatshirt, and yes, normally, I say don't wear anything oversized, but I wanted this for whenever I'm just hanging out at home. Say if I'm wearing leggings, at least this will cover like my butt. So I'm not going to wear this out in public, but for, around my house, it's perfectly fine. And I wanted a white one. So, if it gets here again, if you see me wearing it, you'll know that I kept it. Now, another PrettyGarden item, and I sent back, not that there was anything wrong with it, I just didn't like the color on me. I thought I took a picture, but I cannot find the picture anywhere on my phone. But I'm telling you about it because if you've been looking at this item, don't be afraid to grab it because the quality is excellent. As I said, I sent it back. I had ordered it in the red, but the red in person is not the same as it looks on the screen. It was way too warm and orangey, and it just wasn't my red. I need more of like a cool red or a neutral. But I think in another month after I'm home from safari, I might pick up one or two because the quality really is that great. Like I would say the quality of this cardigan is right up there with any that I've gotten, say from Talbot's in the past. So it's a much better price point, tons of colors. But I also saw one, now this one has a crew neck, but they do have one that has a V-neck. And I'm going to try that one out because I think I would prefer it. You could wear it, buttoned totally up, but I would probably wear it unbuttoned or maybe buttoned on the top and then have a few of the lower buttons unbuttoned because that's also a flattering look when you have a tummy. But yeah, PrettyGardens, I have always really enjoyed any of their clothing that I bought from them. And another thing that I have been waiting on, but it's delayed as well. I don't know, lately Amazon, their shipping is kind of slow, and I have Prime. It's supposed to be here the next day or day after. But are these Mary Jane animal print shoes. I wanted to get a cool pair of animal print shoes. I have no idea if I'm going to like them because I do have an high arch. I don't know if that strap is going to look good on my foot. May not suit me, but they're cute and they're very reasonably priced. So I wanted to tell you about these because I probably won't be doing another Amazon haul until I'm back from Africa. So if you're looking for some fall shoes, I think these are great. And again, available in lots of different colors. And the last fashion item that I want to talk about are these Dr. Scholl's plantar fasciitis pain relief orthotics. I'm currently wearing them. I have them in my UGG slippers. So I ordered my regular size 10 and they fit into my slippers. And they have, you can see like there's a little arch support and the cushion padding here. It's not helping as much as I thought that it would. I hurt my bottom of my right heel. I have no idea what I did. Some days I feel like I'm falling apart. I will tell you they're not as, say, supportive or comfortable to wear. What is the bottom of the foot called? The sole, where the arch is. Because I have a very flat foot. It doesn't have that much support, but I guess it's not supposed to. It's meant to cushion like whenever you're walking for plantar fasciitis. But if you're looking for like a better support, I would stick with the bionic ones. I have those in a couple pairs of my shoes. But if you suffer with plantar fasciitis, just wanted to mention these. I found these on Amazon, thought I'd try them. Like I said, they're just okay. They're not like wowing me, but they're also not awful either. Now I have some beauty finds. I've been using this hair mask for a while and I'm really excited to share it with you because I absolutely love it. And it's the Marée Keratin Deep Conditioner Hair Mask. I can totally see why it has been voted one of Amazon's most loved products. It's a cruelty-free keratin hair mask made with only clean, high-quality marine collagen, biotin, and coconut oil. So it hydrates, moisturizes, and repairs your hair. I like to use it as a hair treatment. I apply a bit to my towel-dried hair after shampooing, avoiding the roots and the scalp. My hair feels so smooth and shiny after I use this hair mask. Plus, it helps to control the frizz, which is something that my hair deals with whenever it's humid out. If you prefer, you can use it as a regular hair conditioner in the shower. So I would apply it to my hair, let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then rinse it off and continue on with my shower as usual. I love that it's suitable for all hair types as well as my color-treated hair. And I actually just took this out of my bathroom because I used it as soon as I got it, and it is a Sigma makeup brush cleaning mat. I had about 20 makeup brushes that have been staring at me for the last while that desperately needed to be cleaned. So I put on some music and went in my bathroom yesterday. Took like 20 minutes and cleaned my brushes. Love this mat. It has all different, I don't know what you would call these, like nibs or whatever, for the different types of brushes. You know, I had like tiny little eye brushes. I had like thicker foundation brushes, and I was really amazed with how well the mat got the makeup out from in between the hairs. So it has suction cups. So I put it down bottom of my bathroom sink. Just let the water gently run, and I use a beauty blender soap. I can link it here. Wet my brush, put it on, some soap on, and then just went like this. And this is one of the quickest ways I've ever cleaned my makeup brushes. I've tried other mats. I really like this one. Like I said, it has so many different nibs that there just seemed to be something for every brush that I had. So it made brush cleaning a little more tolerable. That is a job that I detest. Now we're going to talk about a few home finds. I love decorating for fall, and I'm thinking maybe this weekend I might put up my fall decorations. So whenever I get home, they will be here. And I saw this 3-piece set of mercury glass pumpkins. And I thought, you plug them in. Typical Cathy, don't read the directions. But no, they require batteries. And last night I ended up having to buy a battery charger, and these require AAA, and I think each pumpkin requires 3 batteries. So I ordered the Amazon Basics rechargeable batteries and the battery charger. That's supposed to be coming today. So whenever I get my batteries in my pumpkins and it's dark enough, I'll try and take a video and maybe put it up on Instagram or something. But I just thought they were adorable because it's starting to get dark already now, like around 7:30. And before we know it, the cooler nights are going to be here. And I just like to have a little bit of light on, like instead of the overhead lights all the time. Just makes the house cozy. So I saw these last year. I missed out on them. And I said, I'm not missing out on them this year. So I grabbed them, and they are absolutely adorable. So it's a set of 3. I'll show you them one by one. Isn't that gorgeous? Now I can see the light through there. So I'm excited to see them lit up. And you just put the batteries in the bottom, and they have, I think, a timer built in. And then the next size is this guy. So cute. Oh, it has all these little white styrofoam fluff things from, shipping. And then this tiny one. This is gonna look so nice on my kitchen island this fall. And Buddy better stay off the island. And if he knocks these over, boy, we're gonna have a chat. Next thing is I bought this pack of 3 silicone luggage tags. And I like to put tags on all of my luggage, even if it comes on the plane with me. And I also put a tracker in my bag, just in case you would ever get to the gate and they say, we're full, you have to like check your bag. But the thing that I like about this is it has like a card in it, but you can only see like the name. You have to like take the card out to get like your phone number, address, and all that stuff. But what I do, because a lot of the times, well, I travel alone, I just put my name, but I don't put like Cathy. I'll put C and then my last name, and then I will give like an email address or my cell phone number and say, text me here. I don't put my address or my full name because, you just have to be safe these days. So it comes in a pack of 3, and it has these things, and you just, once I fill the card out, just tie this onto my suitcase like that, and it's secure. So I kind of have a organizing thing that I want to do. I thought I was going to do it before I left, but that's not going to happen because I got too much work to do. So it's going to have to wait till I get home. But I started ordering in some organizers. I have one of those great big acrylic organizers with drawers sitting on our bathroom vanity full of like makeup and my skincare, and it's getting on my nerves. Like, I'm tired of looking at it. So I bought these, and I'm going to remove all of my stuff and put them in a drawer in the bathroom. So I wanted to start with the biggest size because this will be great for like eyeshadow, foundation, but they also have smaller sizes. So I bought these. I think they came in a pack of 4. Yeah, they're 12 inches long, and I'll see how it goes and how much room I have left in my drawer, and then based on that I can order like smaller sizes. And then the top of my vanity will be nice and, you know, nothing on it, just necessities. So that's going to be a project for me probably in October. And last up, this is a strange one, but it's something that we all need. And I have used this for years, but I switched them out and got brand new ones. And I thought, you know what? I'm just going to mention this. Did you know that OXO makes a toilet brush? But it's not just any toilet brush. It is a toilet brush where it has a removable head. Because lots of times, you know, it's molded right into the brush and then you got to throw everything out. This is genius. Plus it saves money. And whenever you need to replace the brush part, like the head, it just screws off, you throw it out and you put a new one on. And I think like the new ones, they come in a pack of 2 for like under $10. So they are great quality because, you know, some brushes, they just don't do the job. And this one is a great one. I know it's a really weird thing to talk about, but hey, we're all friends here. What did you pick up so far in September from Amazon? Anything that you want to share with us? I'm always on the hunt looking for new fun things to try. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, go ahead. It's free. And thanks for tuning in today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.